asked that I don't think I answered. By the way, Command 0 centers the page. So let's say I've got this page and I've put a little bit of time and effort. Now, I'm not in the parent pages. I am on the document page. But let's say I put a little bit of time and effort into building this page. And I've got my grid, and I've got an image box, and maybe I've got, let me just do this. Maybe I've got a headline structure that I've worked out. Right. Now, I'm definitely going to want to use paragraph styles on all of this. I am not suggesting that you not use paragraph styles, please. Understand that. But what I am suggesting is if you take the time and effort to build a page that you really like and you want to kind of use this as a template page, rather than using parent pages, the way that you could do it would be to grab this page and pull down to the new page icon here. And first of all, you'll notice that the new page that I've created just got pushed to the bottom of the document. So I can grab it and throw it around the page. As I throw it around, you'll notice now it doesn't have the colored background of the parent page. But here are all of the items on this page. I have essentially duplicated this page. And it's picked up the properties, because it's now a left-hand page instead of a right-hand page, it's picked up the parent page properties of the left-hand page. So I could go in and edit this stuff. So if you are working out a grid and you really like the grid and you create one kind of quote-unquote master page that you want to work with, this is the button that you use to duplicate that page. The other way you can do it, because it's never simple, you can come in here and duplicate the page. And again, you get a duplicate of the page. All right. So I think that was the last question in the list that Sandy provided to me. But bear in mind, this is simply a duplicate of this page. It's not a parent page, so I can move stuff around and not worry about it. But if you're going to do this, if you're going to duplicate pages in your document, for heaven's sakes, before you begin doing that, establish some paragraph styles. Make some paragraph styles that are headlines, and then apply them, and body copy and apply them before you start duplicating your pages. Because that way, and I'll show you just super quick. I'm going to delete all of these pages. I'm going to go back to this single page that has these two styles. I'm going to get rid of this so we can see what we're doing. So now, if I start duplicating this page for my book, right, let me zoom out. So here's my book, and because I've duplicated this page all of these times, essentially they all look alike. If I make the decision at the end of the day that I hate this typeface and I want to change it, I can go in and let's say I decided I wanted a sans serif face. And I go in, you'll notice now that my paragraph style has an override. If I go in and I say redefine the style to include the override, aka the copy change, now on every page, that change has been created automatically. Same exact thing with the body copy. Let's go into the body copy. I'll do it a different way. I'll double click on the body copy. These are all of the attributes of the style. Maybe I don't want Minion Pro. Maybe I want Caslon. Maybe I want Adobe Caslon, excuse me. Okay. And then the moment I do that, you can see that it's Adobe Caslon. Do something else. Let me go in. Here's where most of the action happens. This first one, basic character formats. Maybe I want the lead, aka the line spacing, to be a little bit more generous. And I'm going to set my kerning to optical, which I like a little better. I want my size to be 13 point. Et voila. Everywhere that I have applied that body style, everything in the document updates automatically without my having to worry about it. And I don't have to say, was I consistent? Did I get them all? Because it's updating automatically. That's paragraph styles is sort of kissing cousins to parent pages in that you make the change in one place and the document applies that change globally to everything. If you would like a deeper dive into paragraph styles, please just let me know.